Show you how to turn your lock sound on and off on all the iPhone 12s. Basically, I have my lock sound on, so every time I lock my phone, you're going to hear that. Okay, I'll show you how to take that on, turn it on and off. Okay, so first thing is just go directly into your settings, and then from here you just want to scroll down and you want to look for sound haptics, which is sound and haptics right here. So go ahead and tap on that. Go ahead and scroll down second to the bottom. It says lock sound. Okay, so again, mine is on. You can hear that. But once we go ahead and turn it off, now you're not going to hear it. Now the thing is, even if you have your lock sound on, however, if you have your mute on, your ringer off, if this is off, even though the lock sound is on, you're not going to hear nothing, okay? So you need to unmute it, and then you'll be able to hear it. Pretty simple.